The traditional image of a bustling construction site, dominated by heavy machinery and manual labor, is rapidly evolving thanks to a technological revolution spearheaded by innovations like 3D printing, drones, and robots. These advancements promise a future where construction is not only faster and more efficient, but also safer and more sustainable. 3D printing. Initially used for creating architectural models, 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, has evolved dramatically, now capable of constructing actual buildings. This technology works by layering materials like concrete and recycled components to swiftly and precisely build structures. One of its primary advantages lies in drastically reducing construction timelines. Entire houses can potentially be erected in just days. Moreover, robots equipped with 3D printing capabilities can operate in hazardous or inaccessible environments, including outer space. This capability opens doors to ambitious extraterrestrial construction projects and exploration missions. Additionally, 3D printing offers environmental benefits by minimizing construction waste. Unlike traditional methods that often produce significant leftover materials, additive manufacturing uses only the necessary amounts, enhancing sustainability in construction practices. Drones. Once viewed merely as recreational devices, drones have evolved into essential tools on modern construction sites. Equipped with advanced cameras and LiDAR sensors, these aerial wonders perform critical functions. Drones excel at capturing detailed aerial images, facilitating precise surveying and mapping of construction sites. This data enhances project planning and aids in early detection of potential challenges. Regular drone flights provide real-time updates on construction progress, enabling project managers to monitor milestones and optimize resource allocation efficiently. In addition to monitoring, drones conduct inspections in inaccessible areas, mitigating safety risks for human workers. They also streamline material transport across sites, reducing manual labor in hazardous environments. Robots, precision, and automation. Robotics is revolutionizing construction sites through automation, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and safety across various tasks. Automated bricklaying and assembly robots equipped with advanced robotic arms are reshaping construction processes. These robots can lay bricks and assemble building components with exceptional precision and speed, significantly reducing reliance on manual labor and minimizing human error. Exoskeletons and wearable technology are another transformative aspect of robotics in construction. These devices provide crucial support to workers by reducing strain and fatigue during heavy lifting and repetitive activities. By enhancing worker safety and comfort, exoskeletons contribute to increased productivity on construction sites. In terms of construction management, AI-powered robots play a pivotal role in optimizing project workflows. These robots can analyze large volumes of data, assist in scheduling tasks, and streamline project management processes. By improving efficiency in resource allocation and project timelines, AI robots contribute significantly to cost management and overall project success. A collaborative approach to construction. Rather than replacing human workers, these technologies complement human skills and expertise. Construction professionals oversee robot operations, analyze drone-collected data, and design 3D printing plans. This collaborative approach enhances efficiency and safety while fostering innovation in the construction industry. Looking ahead, the future of construction is marked by unprecedented possibilities. As 3D printing, drones, and robots become more integrated into construction practices, we can anticipate faster project completion, safer working conditions, and reduced environmental impact. These innovations are set to transform the construction industry, paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future for the built environment. In conclusion, by harnessing the power of innovation, construction firms and developers can pave the way for smarter cities, resilient infrastructure, and a more connected built environment. As we look to the future, the synergy between technology and construction will continue to redefine the skyline and reshape the way we live and build for generations to come. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks.